Hi, this is Dennis Orcutt, MarineMax Lake Wylie. Today we're going to look at a 250 Grand Mariner float boat by Harris. We'll start off at the stern of the boat. This boat comes equipped with a 300 horsepower Mercury engine. It's got a nice little swim platform back here in the back that slips into the water. Nice big sun pad. Also folds up into a nice U seating back here in the back of the boat. Plenty of storage. Dual captain's chairs on this boat. Comes equipped with full instrumentation, JL audio, nice big glove box, base woofer, a lot of storage up front, lighted cup holders, USBs. If this is a boat you'd like to see more of, my name's Dennis Orcutt, MarineMax Lake Wylie. Give us a call, 803-831-2101. Thanks a lot for watching.